Watcha, out on a solo wild camp tonight. Beautiful, beautiful weather. It's summer solstice tonight, I do believe, so I'm hoping the sky will be awesome tonight and tomorrow. I'm going down to a little spot which is sort of hidden off the beaten track sort of thing. There's a big, it's an old quarry from the 60s, 70s, and it's now full of water. It's kind of like derelict, but it's lots of birds around there, a few trees. I've got my hammock. I'm going to hammock camp tonight, so I'm going to sling that up and chill out. I've got a little bit of walnut tree with me, so I'm going to actually try and, or at least start whittle down a spoon. I've never done it before, so but I do believe I'm running out of light tonight, so there's going to be no walking montages to get to the water. So I'll see what I can do, and I will see you back down when I'm at water's edge. All right, laddie. Ciao. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that my dad and stepmum are currently down by where I'm going to camp. I invited them down just for a chill out by the water. They're going to go back home tonight and then leave me, and then I can camp on my own. So we'll introduce you to them two in a minute. I'm just getting to the bit where we get into the water, so I'll show you this. How's that for a view? I'm planning on camping over there somewhere. That's where my dad and my stepmom are. So right, let's get a move on. Let's do it. Father! Good, you alright? Yeah. You didn't film me. You are on the film. Oh no. Not bad. That's pretty That's the hammock and tarp up. That's very good. These two are having a beer. Dad seems to enjoy it. Go on for me. Cheers. Cheers. What, you two off then in a second? Pardon? You two shooting off in a second? Aye, off we go. Alright, well, just show. Yeah. Show you around the hammock. Everything's all set up. Got my front garden here. Just the usual stuff that's in the hammock. I've got meatballs for dinner. Got your log to sit on. Got a log to sit on down there, yeah. Do a bit of whittling, try and make a spoon. And watch the world go by, I suppose. What else would you want to do? Nothing else I want to do. No. Very good. Alright, well. So no use, so nice. Cheers. Right, that's them disappearing off, and I am now alone wild camping in this peace and tranquility. Such a beautiful spot. I'll go for a swim in the morning. So yeah, should be good. Cool, right. Time to chill out. Just gonna start carving this piece of wood down here. I'm just gonna watch the birds, listen to the birds, chill out. No wind whatsoever, it's really still night. So yeah, probably have a nice early night. Get up nice and early as well. Busy day tomorrow, so I've got to get home in the morning. But yeah, this is awesome, what I could find. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm starting carving this. Trying to get sort of a rough shape. It's a really nice piece of wood. Feels nice. I'm gonna do this for another 10-15 minutes and probably cook some food. I've got nothing interesting, it's just tinned meatballs. Just cook that up, warm it up, eat them. I think I might then just lie in the hammock looking out and doze off. So that'll be me for the night, I think. Morning. That was a wicked night's sleep. It's now about, what is it, 6:20 in the morning. You get up, pack up, go for a quick dip, plunge the plums, and head back home. Feels like a little bit of wind slowly picking up, so I need to sort of get up and get out of here, I think. So I'll see you in a minute when I'm up and packed up. See you later. Right, there it is, that's where I was. Leave no trace at all. Got a little bit of rubbish there, I'm going to take that with me. And I think I might have a quick dip. What's the time now? 7 o'clock. So that's perfect. Have a quick dip and then shoot off. Go and get some breakfast. Boy. Oh, I tell you what, it's freezing. Woo! Oh, this ain't for the faint-hearted. really quick dip. Pretty chilly, but blows out the cobwebs. Brilliant, love it. Right then, on that note, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Goodbye, and I'll leave you with this awesome view. There you go. Goodbye. Adios, amigos.